Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. My phone is running low, so if it dies, that's all you're going to get for today's video. But I worked on this right here, this little box extension with a cover, has some wires inside there I made up through a flow switch, which I'll show you here in 2 seconds. So that just goes up into the flow switch, and then I made that up in there. There's just a few plates you put the screws under, normally open, normally closed, and ground screw. And then just tied those through here. So basically the flow switch acts as the switch right here. I don't know what it's controlling or anything, but basically just tie the wires through here, grounds together, whites together, and then tie the blacks together, one for each, one hot for each of the wires, one for normally open, one for normally closed. And then worked on this fire alarm bell right here outside the door. And then up here on the 3rd floor, I did finish that piping from Friday. So basically what I said was I was going to cut that pipe off, which I did right there, which goes into the box on the left. And then I ran a new, once I cut that pipe off, I put a coupling right there, and then, sorry I'm out of breath. And then tried to match that as best as I could, going to the right here. And then went into a box over here, which doesn't look the prettiest because it's a really crappy angle with the pan decking and stuff. So I didn't really do any box offsets. I kind of just went in there as best as I could. So the one on top looks pretty decent, but the one on the left, closest to me, I ran it below it just to get through and to get through the same spot. So it doesn't look the best at this corner, just because that pipe's below that other pipe. But anyways, so the rest of it looks pretty decent. I'm pretty proud of that, but that corner just kind of sucks right there. And then these two pipes trying to match it, go parallel with the sprinkler pipe. So I think that turned out pretty decent just from eyeballing it right there. And then turning it to the left right here, they both turn to the ceiling and then go into the electric room, one strapped on each side. So one of these is for the fire alarm smoke detector, and then the other one is for the I don't even know what it's for, so I think it's for the elevator or something, but it's for that switch box in the wall over there. So one is for the one's for that box, just goes straight into the electric room, and then the other one comes from the hallway into this box, and then goes into here, and then comes back out and goes to the electric room. So that's what I was working on, which took me a long time because trying to get these pipes into the box was super annoying, and it still didn't turn out that great, but it is what it is. So I think it's decent, but not amazing in the slightest. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Drop me a fat like, because I had a stressful day and I'm out here hustling for you after a 10-hour shift to make this video. So drop me a like and show me some love, I'd appreciate it. But this is what it finally came out to be. I might have to throw some straps on there because that might be more than 3 feet away, but I'll let it slide for now. They're strapped right there on the corner. So but I can throw one on the side of this pan decking, and then I'm not sure over here, maybe strap it to the other side of that pan decking. But that's what it is so far, so, or what it is right now. So just that corner kind of irritates me, but it is what it is. So anyways, I think the guy in charge was happy with it, so that's all that matters to me. But anyways guys, I'm gonna head home. I don't even know what time it is, getting close to like 4:45 or something. So videos will be coming up later. Videos will be coming out later this week because I guess I'm doing 10-hour shifts again. So that's what's gonna be happening. So expect later uploads, but I will be here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. Drop a like and subscribe. Drop a comment if there's something you want to know, or if you have any questions. or just anything. So anyways, thanks guys, appreciate it. I will see you back tomorrow. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Alright guys, one more thing I forgot. It was just a bad morning, but I did end the day pretty well. I do want to mention, I just forgot, that's great. Wonderful, I forgot. So why I was frustrated was because basically I was just doing stuff that I haven't really done before, just trying to get certain weird angles into a box, but just bending pipe the direction that I wanted to go, and it wasn't going because I didn't really know exactly what I was doing. So it's kind of frustrating when I don't know what I'm doing and I'm trying to do it and I just keep messing up, but finally got it. Anyways, the morning was rough, but the rest of the day turned out pretty good, working on the fire alarm stuff out in the closet outside, and the fire alarm bell box on the outside, and then just cleaning up and stuff. So the rest of the day was good, and I had like some back pain or neck pain from the weekend, so I don't know if I slept wrong or what, or just from doing like a 6-mile hike or whatever. So I'll try to post that video, what I did on the weekend, just so I don't include it in this video because most people will probably just here for electrical. But anyways, the day turned out pretty well at the end. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for making it all the way here, and thanks to all the new subscribers. And I will be making a few other videos, so stay tuned. I still have to make the motivation video, which has been very motivating to make, so just look out for that. Thanks guys.